Please.
Yes, sir. He said that in the book of the Promised Messiah, At-Tadhkira, the few promises were mentioned, and we understand that these prophecies were also accomplished or fulfilled in this year 1997.
Yes.
And he mentioned the first one, he said, believers were tried, and in the second one said,
Believers?
were examined, obtulio?
Tulia.
Put in a trial or into exams, and the same one is believer were tried again, but this is only a warning from the people who got the authority or the power.
So this is not a question, this is an observation. I agree with that. According to Sharif's Mutala of Ilhamat, according to his study of Ilhamat of 1897, these Ilhamat have already been realized. In case of Ahmadis versus the non-Ahmadis, repeatedly they have been given a chance to correct their ways, but they fail to do it. And whenever they come to power, both parties, they start doing the same things to Ahmadis, but Mu'mineen will be mubtala, they will become mubtala, but they will not fail, inshallah. And when they will not fail, God will help them and destroy the people who put them to trials, inshallah.